This is Eric from Lunicycle. Hi guys, we're doing a comparison between our new PEEF plastic gear on the M600, comparing it to the Metal Gear bike, which is right here, the new Glossy Paint X1. It has an M600 with the original Metal Gear in it, and it's a little noisy, but not that bad once you ride it. Now what throws people off is when you put it at the drive in the air like this. That sounds pretty loud, right? See, and it's actually quite louder when the tire's off the ground than when you're riding it. When it's under load, it quietens down a lot. Here's the one with the PEEF plastic gear. And again, you can't really hear how these bikes really sound with the tire in the air. And this is the BBSHD. Now the BBSHD is known for being the most quiet, powerful mid-drive bike there is. It's kind of a fluke. It uses a nylon gear, but what you'll see is when you're actually riding the bikes, the BBSHD and the PEEF plastic bike are pretty close, and the Metal Gear is a little louder. So let's go ahead and start it up, and we'll show you the bikes under load. The first bike's going to be, we're going to do a single file line. The first bike's going to be the Metal Gear. The second bike's going to be the PEEF plastic gear. The third bike is going to be the BBSHD. Here we go. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Here they come again. 1, 2, 3. Here's the Metal Gear. And you can see there's not much difference between the BBSHD and the PEEF plastic gear. Here we go, 1, 2, and 3. All right. I'm using this expensive microphone to capture this. It does a really great job of really hearing the noise. Here they go. Let's go. All right. And one more pass. Really get this down. One test is worth 100 opinions. I mean, this is really how you tell if your bike, how it sounds, like comparing it while riding to another bike. Hey, there we go. So there's our comparison. 3 bikes, BBSHD, and 2 M600s, one with a PEEF plastic gear and the other one with standard Metal Gear. Thanks, guys. One test is worth 100 opinions. This is it. You guys saw it. Thanks, everybody, and have a good day.